So I started using the 23 gauge needle instead of the sideport 1.2 knife to create the paracentesis in cataract surgery, which resulted in a more consistent wound size rather than the variability of the 1.2 knife. Because when it goes a little bit deeper, it opens the wound much wider than what we required. So and it's much cheaper. So it's the 23 gauges 2 cents a piece, and the other one is $10 a piece. So it's going to be a significant saving for the healthcare system compared to the 1.2 knife, with the better results from my point of view. I use it beveled down, so it results in a very consistent 2 millimeter deep incision into the side of the cornea, and it works really great. I'll show you bilateral surgeries that were done. One eye was done with a 23 gauge and the other one was 1.2 knife. So this is the hub. You can use it straight from as it is, or you can put it on a needle, a syringe, or even one of the hand pieces for the IA. And the other one is the side port from Alcon. That's 1.2. It's great, but it's the problem is the variability of the size of the incision if it goes too deep. Thanks.